couple of things to point out. To delete content out of the media library, I'll click on the piece of content. I can click the delete selected items button. And when I click that, it will just remove the piece of content from the media library. I also have the ability to copy content. So if I click on a piece of content, I can click my copy selected items button. And when I do that, it creates a duplicate of that piece of content. So there's the original, there's my duplicate. And then I also have the ability to sort content. So I have the ability to sort alphabetical A to Z, as well as alphabetical Z to A, as well as sort from newest to oldest, and sort from oldest to newest. And so if I choose this oldest to newest, click my filter button, it will then change the content to that chronological order. Lastly, I have the ability to search content. So the search function is dynamic in that if I start typing in letters, it will begin retrieving results immediately. I don't have to type out the entire word and hit enter before it retrieves results. All right, that is essentially the media library.